What's up, and welcome back here to part three, the finale of the White Wheel Gang series. You can see here in the back on the first two episodes, we will swap the Supra, the Nissan Z, and the E46 M3. And I have two sets of wheels left and two more cars in front of me. So we're going to be adding the A90 Supra to the club, which I think is going to look really cool. So right now it has kind of the Stormtrooper look with the black wheels, has the nice details with the Gretty decals. Probably add the painted exhaust on this one as well. And last but not least, we have the Civic hatch. So this one is already on the white wheels, but it is the plastic just main lines. And this one's really cool. I like the red Honda badge with the red interior, got the red taillights, the Type R logo. We'll be painting the muffler on this one as well. But yeah, I think overall it's going to look really cool. So the Supra is going to get the TE37s, and I think that this Civic is going to be getting these kind of different style six spokes. Both of these wheels are from Mod My Ride again. So you can see these are the TE37 style, and these are, I'm not sure, just a different six spoke. So you can see just some slight differences. These are a little more just like a flush face, and these kind of like the spokes kind of pop out a little bit. As always, step one is going to be to drill our pilot holes. After you drill out your pilot holes there, we'll step it up to the next bit size and take out the rivets. So now with the rivets out, the car should pop right apart. And there we go for the Civic. And that red interior is pretty cool, like that. And same with the Supra here. And there we go. Now to take the wheels out of each one, just going to get a screwdriver and just pry these little plastic tabs out of the way a little bit, and the wheels will come right out. So now we have both bases clear of the wheels, and I'm going to go do my painting with the toothpick and get the exhaust details. So if this is going a little too fast, or if you want some more details, like I said in the last video, if you want to refer back to the very first episode where I did just the Supra, I think I went a little bit slower and a little more into details. So you can go check that one out. So just wrapped up the paint details. So this is for the Supra. It has a little cage on it. So I actually kind of went and painted a little chrome on the cage and then did the shift knob. And for the Civic, got the muffler painted, and then I painted this front part silver because it actually shines through the front bumper. So hopefully maybe give it a little intercooler like look, and also just the little details on the Supra for the rear muffler. The next step, put the wheels back in, and you can see before I pinch the tabs down, you can see how the wheel will just pop right back out. But if you just push on these tabs with the screwdriver here and kind of fold them back down, it will hold the axle in. Okay, both cars are screwed back together and are finished. Pretty freaking cool. I really like the Supra, and I think these kind of different style five spokes or six spokes, excuse me, look really good on the Civic. And you can see where I painted the silver on the front, kind of adds the like intercooler look. The muffler on the back. And also what's really cool here with the Supra, you can really see that cage. through the back window. So I didn't think you'd be able to see it that well, but pretty neat. And here we go for a little close-up look. Man, that Supra with the white TEs looks super good. I still think the E46 out of all of them might be my favorite. The Z looking really good as well. And obviously the Supra with the TE37s can't go wrong. So I think that is going to do it for the series. So we got 5 cars done and super happy with it. Let me know down below what one of these turned out to be your favorites.